disappointment. I just sat with it longer than most. Let the anger leak and dry. Let the silence bring a toast. I stopped naming my lessons, they're now part of my voice. No louder than any breath, but louder than noise, and brighter than every choice made. I'm wherever the sound tries to escape the noise they weigh. I'm not hiding, I'm just done explaining. No anger, no need for saving. This is me without the noise you're always craving. I found peace where the weight used to press. Not in victory, just in a lot less. No debt owed, no names to confess. No fire to light, no vision to test. Won't marry what ain't mine no more. For no rewinds, no open doors. Asked more when I carry just the air I breathe and the weight I dropped in an open floor. Everything else paused where the noise stopped. After I'm not hiding, I'm just done explaining. No anger, no need for saving. This is me without the noise you're always craving. I carried what cracked, held what they dropped, stacked their weight, mindful of that, like it made me worth more. Names that shouldn't rest in me had me punching the floor. Still left footprints. I shake myself around taskmasters that have them asking for more, that weren't mine to finish. But I built balance out of rooms they left tilted. Still stood until I didn't. Dropped it all. Not loud, not spiteful, just quiet and final. Now I walk lighter, not because I healed, but because I remembered none of it was ever mine. But I'm still a fighter. I'm not hiding, I'm just done explaining.